Sunrise's mechanical engineering team leverages decades of collective experience to solve a wide range of design challenges for automation, diagnostics, wearables, life support systems, and high-volume disposables. Designing for test, sustainability, and manufacturing is an iterative process throughout the development lifecycle. With rapid in-house prototyping and modeling capabilities, we provide our engineering teams real-time feedback on designs to accelerate product development. Prototyping early in the design process supports the work of our user-centered design team, providing hands-on interactions with the ergonomics of a device and helps ensure the assembly process is accurate thanks to early fit checks of key components. Our in-house prototyping capabilities include 3D printing, machining, laser cutting, finishing and bonding, painting, and silicone molding. We leverage a variety of cutting-edge 3D printing systems, including both fused deposition modeling, FDM, and stereolithography, SLA. Sunrise's machining capabilities include a lathe and a computer numerically controlled CNC milling center with fourth-axis attachment controlled directly from the CAD database. For plastics, the laser cutting machine functions from any two-dimensional file directly controlled from the part CAD file. Our goal is client success, and we achieve that mission through close collaboration with both our client and contract manufacturer to ensure we meet and exceed your technical and business needs.